Hello everyone and welcome to the channel, afterWorkMode. This is my very first video here. So please forgive any mistakes, I'm still learning. And if you have helpful feedback, you're more than welcome to share it. For this first video, I decided to show a small upgrade I made to a USB lamp. The problem was the poor quality USB connector. It had a bad connection, the lamp kept flickering, and the USB plug was getting hot, which looked pretty dangerous. The idea to fix it came naturally. I had a few spare Type-C ports, and just recently got a 3D pen. Perfect match, right? First, I soldered the power wires to the Type-C port. I pre-tinned the wires to make the connection cleaner. Soldering wasn't easy. I don't have a helping hand, so doing it on the knee was tricky. But as you can see, the test shows it works. Now I'm heating up the 3D pen. Don't ask about the filament color. My wife picked it. After a few tries, I realized it's easier to wrap melted filament around the spot where the, let's call it the holder will be. I filled all the gaps and moved on to the next step, shaping it. I heated the soldering iron to 200 degrees and tried to make the shape at least somewhat clean. I'll try filing down the rough edges. Turns out, filing PLA is no easy task. I heard it was tricky to work with, but not this tricky. So plan B, I'll clip off the excess with wire cutters. Little more tweaking off camera, and here's the result. Yeah, in my head it looked a bit different, but it works great. Give a like if you enjoyed the idea. Now I can plug in any Type-C cable. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you're interested. It costs you nothing, but means a lot to me. See you in the next one.